Hi, this is Dan Collins, live from the Las Vegas Traders Expo. Right now we're going to speak with Amelia Bourdeau from Market Compass, a macro trading firm. Let's talk about it a little bit.
That's right, so thanks. I'm the founder of Market Compass, and we specialize in foreign exchange trading. We also specialize in macro, so we do branch out once in a while to other asset classes such as ETFs, stocks, and commodities. But right now our main asset class is foreign exchange trading. We look at broad themes in the market. We trade those, and as the themes develop, that guides our trading. We also look very heavily on event risks, so big events that are coming up in the market. We like to be aware of those, and we like to have trading plans into those event risks to know what to do.
Yeah, and what we've noticed over the last several years with Brexit, the U.S. election, several of the European elections,
right,
is these broad macro events, these international events, can affect all markets, no matter where you're happening.
Yeah.
You're seeing your customers more aware of that?
Yes, for sure. I mean, some traders get down when there's too much volatility in the markets. But in macro trading, and especially foreign exchange trading, volatility is your friend. So we like to try to find opportunities to trade in times that are volatile. There's a saying in macro trading, which is never waste a crisis. And so when there's a crisis, there is opportunity to get out there and trade. And so we look forward to these volatile events because we find that, you know, people's trading years can be made or broken on these, and hopefully they'll be made with our, you know, paying attention to our trading plans, having a strategy going into these big event risks. And there seems to be, as you pointed out, kind of more of them lately.
There seems to be an acceleration of these international events.
Yeah.
And, you know, my background is on the future side, so there's the up is good and down is bad. It is not, you know, that is an equity world, but in the broader world, anything that moves the markets is good.
That's right, yeah. Anything that moves the markets is, you know, you have to be careful of timing, and we try to give you a map of event risk. We try to watch very closely when we know there's an event risk coming up. Like today, for instance, was the budget deadline for Italy, and we know November 21st coming up, for instance, is a day that the European Commission is supposed to sanction Italy if they don't like their budget. So, you know, we're watching Euro very carefully over the next week and a half, and so, you know, that's an example of how we try to use specific dates and event risk to, you know, pick an asset and to trade that asset over that time horizon.
Okay, well, we're going to take a break here, and then we're going to come back with Amelia and talk about some specific event risks that she can help you with.